Chris Thorne here at MarineMax Baltimore. We're aboard the 2020 250 Sea Ray SDX. Start here at the transom. As you can see, I have a nice passage to walk through. That way when you're doing water sports, or just getting on and off the boat is quite easy. Back here, we're powered by a 300 Mercury outboard. Also with this, you have a nice access panel here to be able to get to your oil and check your oil. As we move forward, you notice you have a spot here to put your skis or your wakeboards in and out. This seat will actually push all the way forward, and this will move over. That way you can actually look out the back, watch the sunset, enjoy your time at the dock. Moving forward, you'll notice you have a nice side button here with your watch down and also your stereo control. For your convenience, there's also a door here to switch very, very easily. You also have a nice really top to have some coverage from the sun. This also is a seat power, so it'll allow you to water sports. Both of these seats will move forward and back to allow for more spacious seating as well as comfort. Also notice here at the helm, you have the fireeyes box. You have your SIMRAD multifunction screen, which will give you a digital readout of everything that's going on with your engines, as well as your GPS. You have your Fusion stereo here. Unique feature of this boat is you have a small changing area as well as your pump out head. As you come to the side, you still have the protection from the windshield as well as the wind door. Nice horseshoe. Then you have your access to your anchor. Thank you for walking through the 2020 Sea Ray 257. Please give us a call or visit us.